Good morning, you guys. It is day 4. It is C Day, and we are on our way to C Day brunch. All right, we are done with C Day brunch. That French toast is delicious. I had steak and eggs, and then we shared a French toast, but I gotta tell you, the French toast is very, very good. Now we're gonna head on to the casino because I'm gonna go gamble for a little bit. Haven't done that yet. So I went to the casino and lost. Now I lost Miriam too. She said she was gonna be at the Lido deck waiting for me, and I can't seem to find her, so I'm gonna go try again. All right, so after looking for her for like 30 minutes, I come and I find her like this, just relaxing with a piña colada right next to her. So I not only lost money at the casino, but I lost Miriam too, and I finally found her.
Surprise way in the end, and also we raffling on some free stuff scratches. Yeah.
Oh, you all love free stuff.
I love free stuff.
But then, you know what? I feel like we should leave. We can't leave like this. So let's just.
All right, so we came to the room to take a little break. We are exhausted. It feels like we haven't slept, like we haven't gone to bed like early or anything, because I mean we're just so tired. But this is the reason why. Apparently there's like a bunch of kids who came on their own on this cruise because they probably got on with their parents, but then their parents just let them loose to go do whatever they want. So we've had a lot of kids running up and down the hallway very early in the morning and very late at night. And so that's a first for me. When I came with Alma, the issue we had was our room smelled like marijuana a lot because somebody was smoking marijuana. And this time we just have like a bunch of kids running up and down the hallway, and they wake us up in the morning, and then we're like trying to fall asleep, and then they're running around, wake us up at night. And so anyway, I know they're having fun, they're on a cruise and everything, but I just wonder where the parents are at. Like, you guys need to keep an eye on your kids, keep them behaving, you can't let them run around like they're in the playground or anything like that. So anyway, we just came, read a little bit, and took a little break. Now we're gonna go downstairs to the coffee shop, maybe get like a coffee to wake us up, something nice and strong, and probably a piece of cheesecake, because remember that cheesecake that I like to get at the very end of my cruise? We're gonna go get that. All right, so we got our cheesecake. We did say we were going to share, but once we looked at it, we decided to get our own. We're just going to be bad on our last day and have our cheesecake. Oh my God, so good. Just looking at this beautiful view right here. What are we looking for, Miriam?
Anything I guess a fish.
We're looking for any kind of sea life that we could see in the ocean.
But not trash though.
Not trash. We've seen a lot of trash. We're gonna go check out the sunset out here. Check out the sunset behind us, you guys. I don't know if you could see it from here, but the sunset is gorgeous. And I'm starting to feel really, really sad because it's our last day here. We're gonna have to go pack later on and then head on home tomorrow. These 4 days went by so fast. All right, so we had reserved our table to go to dinner, but then we went to the dining room or the buffet, and we seen that they had shrimp and some of the seafood penne stuff, and or seafood pasta, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. And we decided to get that and then continue watching a movie that we're watching. It's actually such a good movie. Miriam's excited to finish watching it. Oh, yeah. So yeah, we went, got her some food, and we're gonna have dinner in our stateroom, nice and warm, away from the crowds, watching a movie. Enjoying your dinner? So am I. All right, you guys, so my least favorite part is happening right now. Packing. Are you sad to leave tomorrow, Miriam?
No, I'm happy for her. I gotta go see my kids.
She's excited to go see her kids. This is the first time she's been away from her kids. She always travels with her kids, but this time she decided to come alone. And did you have fun though?
Oh, heck yeah, I did.
You enjoy it?
Oh, yes, everything.
You loved it? Are you gonna cruise again?
Okay, of course.
I created another cruise monster. Anyway, time to pack, go to bed, and then take off in the morning. So stay tuned for more. I have a lot more coming up very, very soon. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.